everyone.
Today, what are we doing, Nick? We're learning numbers with Easter eggs.
And they have numbers and dots.
How exciting!
Welcome to the next toy world.
Okay, so this is what is happening with these eggs. On each side, there's going to be a number.
And a dot.
And Nick is going to have to find the correct number of dots for that Easter egg.
Oh my!
Once he finds that number, he will connect them and let's see how many he can get. Are you ready, Nick?
Yes.
Okay. Get on your mark. Get set. Go.
3 and then
Find 3 dots.
no.
So here's the number 3.
2. 3.
No, that's 4.
Oh. I think that was 3. What? Whoa, loud. Found it, kids.
Let me see. Let me see the number of dots. 1, 2, 3 dots. Let me see. The number 3 with 3 dots. Good job. So we have 10 of these eggs. So number 3 is done. Go ahead and find the next one.
4.
4.
4. I already saw 4, so I'm going with this one.
1, 2, 3, 4. Connect them.
I found 4.
The number 4. Hold on, kind of came off. But 4 dots. The number 4.
It came off.
Okay. Next one.
5. Let me count. I found the number 4.
Let's see.
Got it.
Number 4 and 4 dots. Good job, Nick.
I'm gonna do 5. Found 5.
It's too easy for you.
No.
Let me see. There's the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the other dot. It kind of came off. 5 dots. Okay, next one.
6. Found 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You got it.
Oh, it's a silly egg.
What a silly egg.
We always love.
Let me see. Oh, Nick's hand just took it off. Number 6. 6 dots. Go ahead. Next one.
2. This one's an easy one. 10. 2.
2. Where's the dots? 2 dots.
Hey, what's a silly egg? He's going to be my best friend, kids. You didn't guys see it.
2 dots.
My kind looks like 6. 9.
Now we have 9.
1, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How are they all 8, silly? I think Nick's tricking us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute.
You found it? 9. Count 9. Count 9 dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, let me see if Nick is right. Let me see the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No, just 10. Now I have 1. 1 and 1.
That was the easy one, right?
Yeah, this was the easy one. Ah, wait a minute. It's your silly egg. Are you good? Oops. Oopsie.
So 1 dot, and let me see the number 1. The number 1. Okay, I'll fix that. Fix that. 8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Perfect. It's a match.
Blue. Blue's a blue. Hey, come up. Hey, stay in, little egg.
These eggs don't want to stay, huh?
Yeah, because they're silly.
There you go. It's fine.
You'll fix it.
Okay, so here's number 8 with 8 dots.
10.
10, that was fast. 10 dots.
7.
Number 7 and 7 dots. So here are all the 8s.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
good job. Can you tell me the color of each 8 now?
Orange.
Orange.
Two.
Color.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Green.
Color.
Green. 10. Purple. 8. Yeah. Yeah. Blue. Pink.
Those are all the different colors we used today. Was this a fun little activity, Nick?
Yep.
Can you tell our friends thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Please subscribe.
Yeah. Please subscribe to Nick's Toy World.